They ran, they grew, they became huge. Then they went into space. When a girl fire went out, she hugged in the sky. She became moon, and her brother became sun. They chased each other forever.
Whoa. Okay. What a story. So I'll let you just repeat the words I say. Alaska.
Alaska.
Yeah. Alaska. Yeah.
Alaska.
Okay. Very
Alaska.
good. Yeah, Alaska. Alaska is in America, the state that's in the highest. It's the farthest north. It's so cold. There's there's like ice and everything. So that's the largest US state up north called Alaska. And then let's look at this word. We'll sound it out, okay? So theory. Theory.
Theory.
Very good. There's propose that we did, but this one's the other one. Purpose. Oop. Purpose. Can you repeat after me? Purpose? Purpose. Yeah. Do you know this word? Purpose?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. All right. And let's say this one. Released. This word right here. Released. Can you read number 2?
What does the girl encourage? Something encourage.
Very good.
Someone
Encourage.
to grow her hair.
Why does the girl
Everyone
encourage?
He
Okay.
wants to become hug and hand in the sky. She wants to know who grabbed her hair. Oh, C.
C? Yeah, okay. Correct. It's C. Get this last one. I'll read it and then you answer it, okay? So, how does the girl get ready for the party? What does she do?
She do her hair and wear a good dress.
Good. Okay, so let's look at the sentence that you did right here. She do her hair and wear a good dress. So let's say she does. We're gonna add an ES here. She does her hair and wears a good dress. Very good. Get this last one.